So a lot of you are searching for how to buy Shiba Inu coin on Binance, but do not have videos that show you how to do this. And this is going to be the video for you, so stick around for this. When you go to the peer-to-peer transaction section, as I'm going to show you right now, in Kenya, you have these options. These are about 7 options that you have to purchase or to sell on the platform. However, if you use a different currency, say euros, right, you'll be able to access a different number and different assortment of cryptocurrencies that you can buy and sell on the platform, Shiba Inu included. So if you're maybe in Europe and you are able to purchase using euros, then you can be able to access Shiba Inu or to get Shiba Inu through the P2P section of the Binance platform. However, this video is for people that are located in places that do not have this option. So the first step in this process is to have some cryptocurrency, preferably one of the options that Binance offers either for purchase or for sale on their platform. So if you don't have any cryptocurrency in your Binance wallet, then come here and purchase one of these from the vendors. We have videos talking about that. We shall link one below. And then once you've purchased, there are 2 methods you can use. The first one, come to the trade option in the menu bar and then come to convert. This is the easiest way to get Shiba Inu on the Binance platform. So once you click convert, you'll be redirected to a page that has this simple outlay, basically. So select which wallet you have money in. So you see a variety of options here shown. I personally know I have USDT in my spot wallet. So here I'll come and click USDT. And then here I want to get Shiba Inu. Okay, so here, SHIB. So we're going to go through with this. So the first thing, let's try getting Shiba Inu for 2 USDT. 2 USD, I'll get 247,137 Shiba Inu. I'm supposed to convert before this runs out because this keeps changing, the rate keeps changing. But this is basically it. So I'm going to change this 2 USDT to Shiba Inu and boom. System failed to execute the quote, which has expired. Please request quote again. Okay, let's preview conversion and then convert. Boom. So I've got myself 247,136 Shiba Inu, which is worth 2 USDT. So I can see that in my wallet. This will be in the funding wallet. But I just want to show you now the second method you can use. That is the easiest way you can acquire Shiba Inu on the Binance platform. Now let's go and use the spot. Let's go and spot trade some of our USDT for Shiba Inu on this platform. This one is a bit, well, it's more complicated than the other one, but it's also not complicated at the same time. Just stay with me here. So you're going to be redirected to a page like this, the spot trading section on the Binance platform. The one thing you will need to do here in order to trade your USDT or whatever token you have for Shiba Inu, you need to come to this search bar here and then look at Shiba Inu pairs, right? So among the Shiba Inu pairs, you see that one of them is USDT. If you come and search, for example, Shiba Inu or SHIB, and then none of the pairs show up, try searching, maybe beginning with a cryptocurrency that you already have, which is USDT. But here you can see that I don't have any USDT to Shiba Inu pairs. So I'll stick to Shiba Inu, but that's just something that you can use in case you're failing to find a pair that that basically helps you achieve your goal of getting this cryptocurrency that you're looking for, which in this case is Shiba Inu. So we come here, we click the pair. Okay, so we're clicking that. And down here, we can see the pairs that have been brought to us here, USDT, and here Shiba Inu. So we want to first change that from limit to market because here you'll be selling your USDT at the market rate in order to get it exchanged for Shiba Inu. So here it's 3, right? So here we shall get 278 Shiba Inu. No, that's going to be the fee for this transaction. But this is how much we are going to sell. How much USDT? We buy. Now, remember that Shiba Inu is a very volatile cryptocurrency. It's high risk, higher risk than other listed tokens. So they give you a warning here, a disclaimer. So qualifying questions for high-risk Binance products, users have to get all the questions correct or will not be able to proceed to gain access to tokens under seed. You will first need to correctly answer the following 3 questions. 1, are you aware that tokens marked with seed are likely to have higher volatility and or higher risk than other listed tokens? Yes. All right. Let's see another one. There is a likelihood that you will incur losses or even a total loss of your principal capital by trading the tokens marked with seed. Yes, I am aware that I might incur losses or even total loss, right? So yes, I am aware. If you incur losses or even a total loss, whose fault and responsibility is it? My own, right? And then once you've done that and you click this terms of use, you check that box, then you can click the confirm button, which is now highlighted. So we click that and then we buy Shiba. Total order value should be more than 5 USDT. Okay, so let's move this to 5. I just want to show you guys how this is done. So buy Shiba Inu, and then you can see here, market buy order created, submitted exchange buy order. Basically, we have sold our USDT for, or rather we have exchanged our USDT for Shiba Inu. You can see our figure here was 11 USDT, now it's 6.66. Now here we've had an increase. If you remember in the last example, we bought a few, which was about 270 something thousand. Here it's now 866,000. So we are really balling in Shiba, but that is probably worth nothing. If you want to see your balance, then you can come to your wallet and then come to the bottom, right? You come to your wallet and then you come to, supposed to come to funding. Yeah, funding wallet right here. It's not the funding wallet. We come to the fiat and spot wallet. And then we can see that we've got Shiba Inu worth $6.97. And then we have some USDT as well, 6.67 USDT. And that's how you can buy Shiba Inu on the Binance platform. Let me know down in the comment section if you found this video helpful. And yeah, subscribe for the next tutorial as well. See you in the next one.